and that of the Commission on Higher Education, I hereby confer upon you your respective courses with all the rights, honors, and privileges, as well as the obligations and responsibilities thereunto appertaining. Graduates, you may turn your sublime from right to left.
Specializations in Criminology Thesis Program. 14. Master of Science in Criminal Justice with specializations in 77. Bachelor of Science in Social Work. From the College of Business Administration. 73. Bachelor of Science in Business Administration's major in Economics. 75. Bachelor of Science in Entrepreneurship.
Kindly sit down. Maraming salamat po sa courtesy. Unang
For the distribution of diplomas, names shall be called by Professor Ryan Rivero to be awarded by University President, members of the Board of Regents.